I would like to show you how to create your own formatting for a play from scratch using Microsoft Word. So to start off with, I want to start off with a title page because that's the requirement. One of the things you can do in Word is use this styles here to select title option, and you can write your script title here. And then, of course, you can add your author name, teacher name, class name as all part of your title here. So now I want to have this centered on the page. So I'll go hit the center page thing. And then I go to layout because I want to have all of this to be centered on this page top to bottom as well. So if I go to layout under page setup and click on this little thing here, it can take me to a screen here that shows me a page vertical alignment, and I want that to be center alignment. So I'm going to hit that, and uh, let's see, yeah, just we'll just do that. And so, oh, and I want a different first page. So this is going to be a different first page, this. Okay, so I do that and there it goes. Okay, so those are the things I click on. And now, in order to get to a brand new page without having to hit enter 100 times, which would mess up my formatting, I'm going to hit the button control and then I'm going to hit enter and automatically it's going to take me to a new page. Now you'll notice that I'm still in the middle of the page. I don't want that anymore. So I'm going to go back to here and I'm going to say top. Okay. And that will take me back to the top of the page. I don't want it centered in the middle of the page, so I'm going to go over here and do that. Now, another thing that I want to do is I want to make sure that my list of characters stays on the left-hand side and all their descriptions stay on the right-hand side of this page. And the way you do that is with what's called kind of a hanging indent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this in. I think a page and an inch and a half is going to be good. So this little thing here, I pulled it all the way in, but then I'm going to take the very top arrow and pull it all the way back to there. Another thing that I want to do is I want to make sure that after every paragraph it skips a line, but not between inside the paragraph. So I'm going to go and hit this paragraph thing here, this line and paragraph spacing tool. I'm going to click on the down arrow and I'm going to say add, well, actually not remove space after paragraph. I actually looks like I already had it. So I want to add space after paragraph. So I'm going to click add space after paragraph. So that's going to automatically add a space. So let's say I go ahead and put my first character name. I need to have that in bold and caps lock. So my first character's name is Alice. Now I'm going to turn off caps lock and I'm going to turn off bold. I do those with quick keys using Control B if you want to, but you can also click and turn on bold clicking over here too. Then I'm going to hit tab and it's going to jump me over there and then I'm going to write my character description for Alice. And so as you see, I type away and look what happened. The next line starts where I indented and it keeps on going and I can write as much as I want about her. And as long as I don't hit enter, it's going to end up right there. Now I'm going to hit enter to start a new paragraph. It's going to automatically skip a line and it's going to give me the place to go ahead and write my next character's name. And it looks like I still had bold on over here, or did I? Oop, nope, that's bold. Tim is bold. Perfect. Okay, so everything is looking good. And now I just hit tab and now I can write, whoops, I need to undo my bold. Control B will automatically undo it without having to drag my mouse. And then I can write Tim's description right here. And then when I go on to my next page, it's going to work the same way for that. And I can put in my parentheses. And if you wanted the quick key for italic, it's Control I. And then everything appears in italics automatically. Hit Control I again to turn off italics. And so forth. So anyway, that is how you go about making the script formatting for your script. I hope that this is helpful, and you can still use the template if you will, but if something goes screwing the template, now you know how we did it.